Greetings. Today we're going to be jumping into the HOOCUCO heated knee pad brace. It comes with 3 temperature levels. It has heating at 45%, 70%, and 100%, and it is an adjustable size. The HOOCUCO brace comes with 3 different components. It comes with the brace itself. It comes with the battery pack that plugs in on the side, and it comes with the ultra long charging cable. The charging cable is 6 feet, so if you decided to use this as the power source by itself, you can sit, a couple feet away from the plug, and so it's easy to move around and use what you need to. We have the 2-page instruction manual, and it's pretty easy. You basically attach the battery pack. You press the power button. It's going to flash red, white, and blue to show you that it does have power. Then you hold down the power button, which is also the heat button, for 3 seconds. Now the great thing is if your battery is dead, you can also connect it directly to the power charging cord as the power supply. It is on and it shows that it has power. It's going to flash red, showing that it's ready to heat up and go. It has 3 different settings, and it changes color with each setting. When it is charged fully, the battery lasts about 4 to about 4.5 hours on a full charge battery going on high. All right, so it actually warms up really quickly, about 30 seconds. It has a heating pad on the full front side of the brace itself, and it actually connects with 3 different Velcro straps. It provides warmth from top to bottom in about an 8-inch coverage area. The back part has a heating pouch if you want to put another heating pad in there. That has a mesh front. The straps feel like neoprene, almost like a wetsuit, and the very fine Velcro sticks really well on the knee pad itself. All in all, it warms pretty quickly. It feels nice on the skin. It doesn't chafe at all. It is nice and warm. I definitely give it a thumbs up. Probably give it about a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Really enjoy it. Good price. I would definitely recommend it.